Namaste, my dear loving student. My name is Moti Prasad Podel. I am from Joint School Family Rupandehi, and as usual, today I am going to teach you Social Study of Class 9. Social Study of Class 9, and I am going to teach you Unit 4, Lesson 4.2. And the topic of today is corruption, prostitution, drug addiction, and bullying. So before going to start this lesson, I want to clear the meaning of corruption. You are very well known about this word corruption. So corruption is a work of missing. Here missing means what is the meaning of missing? Means misusing public property, means and resources for the private benefit. Done by misusing the authority, power and position. Clear? So corruption is a work which is done by misusing the public property, public means and resources for private benefit. So many things we have seen about the corruption. Just about this pandemic COVID-19 also, we are hearing so many news about the corruption which is done by the government from the different media while purchasing some of the medical things or some of the masks and other medical health sector things while purchasing. So many people or from the government side also they have done so many corruption, as it is heard by the different media, and different media also they have announced about this corruption. And this corruption generally what happen if the market rate of a one goods, that is rupees 10, the market price of this any good is rupees 10, then we are buying at the rate of 15 rupees and 5 rupees here we are doing the corruption. Clear? And sometimes we have seen, you have heard also the name of the so many construction. They have also while making the pole, while making the road. Clear? They have also done some corruption there. Corruption means whatever according to the work level, according to the agreement, they are not doing the work. They are misusing or they are taking benefit from there and they are not making the government property in the proper way. That is called corruption. And can you tell me what are the causes why people they are doing corruption? There may be some reason also. Why people they are doing corruption. First of all, I want to say in our country there is ineffective rule of law. If any person, if any minister or if any person who are in the top level, if they will do corruption, no one can punish them because they are in power, because they have got link with the different political parties. And if people they will do any sort of corruption, those people who are in the higher post, in the high level post, whatever if they will do also corruption, whatever the proof of their doing corruption, it may be going vain. So in our country also what happens, if we will see there is no any effective law to check and balance the corruption. People they are doing corruption freely, but we can't say anything. Clear? Second one, lack of transparency. Lack of transparency, whatever the budget it is allocated by the government, or what is the budget for making the construction of that place, construction for that area, or while doing any sort of work by the government of our country or different INGOs, NGOs. So this, what happens while doing that, there is lack of transparency. Their balance sheet, their trial balance, their way of keeping account, we don't have transparency. They have got the lack of transparency. Another, poor salary of the employer or poor salary and their high demand also. For example, if a peon, we can say, if a office assistant, he is getting monthly rupees 10,000. Monthly rupees, if he is getting monthly rupees 10,000, then from this 10,000, it is very difficult to support their family. He has to pay the rent because he has to buy goods also, and market price also very high. So what happened? Definitely he will think for the other source of income. And when he will source other source of income, when his demand will be high, definitely he will take another step for doing corruption. And nowadays, if in a family there are 4 people, if there are 4 people in a family, at least 30,000 it is required to run a family. 30,000 it is required per month to run a family. And if he will get 10,000, can he run his family properly? Because all things are expensive. Everything they have to buy from the market. Clear? Another cause, that is political instability in our country since from the very beginning. We don't have any political stability in our country. Always what happens, political instability is here. For example, if I am this time I am the education minister. If I am the education minister, I don't know how long I will stay in the post. I may be for 5 months, I may be for 10 months, I may be for 1 or 2 years. We don't have. So what happens, me also, I will also, that minister, that education minister or any other minister, due to political instability also what happens, we will, or the minister, they will do some of the corruption. Again, he will think, I may be minister or not. Again, if my government will fall down, I may not be a minister. So, now this is the right time to earn some money, he will think, and he will do corruption. Clear? Another, that is lack of sense of responsibility. We don't have any sense of responsibility. If there will be any responsibility, we will not do such type of work. We are lacking responsibility. We are lacking our responsibility. Due to this also, many people, they are doing corruption. But one thing, all people of our country, all the people of the world, they are not corrupted. There are some of the good peoples are also there in our country. They are not doing corruption also. So what happens if we will think for the good demand, if we will think for the higher aim, or if I will think for my luxurious life, definitely I will go for corruption. And what happened? In our country there is lack of punishment and supervision. Who will do supervision? Who will give punishment to another? Clear? So there is some lack of the punishment also, lack of supervision also. The person or the supervision, those who will do supervision, they themselves, sometimes we are here, they themselves, they are also doing corruption. So this thing, it is not good. Like in our country, the corruption, it is more from the, even in newspaper, from different electronic media, we are hearing about the news of corruption day by day. At last, what I want to say you, there is monopoly in power. Suppose if any political party, they have got power. Monopoly means, what do we mean by monopoly? Ekadhikar. If they will got monopoly in the power, they can do more corruption. So these are some of the causes of corruption, and if we will check the causes, we can certainly make our country corruption free. Okay then, for today this much only. Thank you. Namaste.